Model, 68-plate Ford Transit Custom 280L1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.0 EcoBlue 130ps low-roof limited van body, white, panel van mileage, 61,608 MOT, the 29th of September 2023 engine, 1,996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130ps transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, none runner, the wet belt, cam belt has snapped, simple repair if you know what you're doing, condition summary, bodywork is in excellent condition. Interior is in great condition. Rear load area is in good condition, genuine great-looking well-maintained Transit custom grin features, electric windows, air con, cruise control, parking sensors EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £17,595. Click the link in the description for pictures and more